Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a website with Wix. First, you have to create your Wix account. Choose what type of website you want to create. After you click on any of the options, your dashboard will be created. You can manage your website in there. Fill out the name of your business, and then answer all questions in the form. You can also choose from Wix apps that will do complicated tasks for you. For example, here for my restaurant website, it offers restaurant menus, food orders, and table reservations. Now it's all set up. Website is created, and now you are at your dashboard. You can create custom domain and set everything up in here. For example, I can create my menu. You can see some items in the menu already. These were pre-made, so it does not look empty. You can, of course, delete them. I will show you how to add item to your menu. You fill out item name, description, price, image, and then you click on Add section. As you can see, everything works smoothly. You can also add whole new menu. For example, if you wanted to create menu for pizzas, you just do this. Now you can add sections. I will create vegan and non-vegan section. Now I will show you how to design and edit your website. Let's pick some template first. Wait a few seconds till it's all set up. First, you fill out basic form what your site is about. AI will generate some texts for you based on that. Now you can see preview of your template. You can edit everything in here. Here I will show you some basics. You can change all texts and rotate anything, or change colors. Here you can actually see the menu we created earlier. Let's edit it a little bit. You can change layout like that. 3 columns looks great. We can edit spacing. And let's make it little transparent for design purpose. You can change all site names in navbar like this. Let's edit this form, and then we will publish it. Now all you need to do is to click on Publish button, and you are done. It was that easy. Now you can have nice working website in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.